Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we have started with the solving equation. In the solving an equation we have learned that is two types. One is that is adding and subtracting on the both the sides, and one more method that is a transposing method. Okay, so in the last class we have solved some of the examples based on this. Okay, so now in this class we are going to learn some applications in the linear equation in one variable. In the linear equation in one variable, you are going to solve some of the applications. That the first example I am going to solve, that is the perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. The question is given here. The perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter and width is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. Find its length. Okay, so see here, you know already you are learned in the perimeter and area the perimeter of rectangle formula. You know that perimeter of rectangle formula you already learned. That is what it is, 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of rectangle formula you already learned. That is perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. They are given the perimeter of rectangle means perimeter of rectangle. They are given. What is the given in question? The perimeter of rectangle that is given is 13 centimeter. So just write here 13 centimeter. Okay. Next thing, they are not given the length. Let assume the length be x. Assume the length be x centimeter. Alright, assume the length be x centimeter. Also they are given width. Width means your breadth. So width they are given, that is width is given, that is 2 integer 3 by 4. So this is in the form of mixed fraction. First of all, convert in the form of improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 which is equals to 11. This is 11 by 4 centimeter. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 which is equals to 11, 11 by 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the given thing given in question, that is perimeter of rectangle they are given, that is 2 into L plus B. Next, perimeter of rectangle which is equals to 13 centimeter and assume the length be x centimeter. So I will assume this as x centimeter and width is 2 integer 3 by 4 which is equals to 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 which is equals to 11 by 4 centimeter. Okay, now just substitute in this formula perimeter of rectangle which is equals to given, that is 13 centimeter 2 into L we they are taken as assume as x plus breadth is 11 by 4. Okay, so this is the given thing. Okay, so now see, first of all I write x plus 11 by 4 which is equals to, so 13. First I write this x plus 11 by 4 on the LHS part and 13 as it is this 2 I will divide in the LHS. So I write this as 13 by 2. Okay. So now x is equals to 13 by 2 minus of, this is plus 11 by 4. When it goes to the RHS, it becomes as 11 by 4 minus 11 by 4. Now see LCM of 2 and 4 is always 4. This is 2 into 2. This is 4 into 1. Okay. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Now see, multiply the numerator with the numerator. Now 13 2s are 26 minus of 11 1s are 11. Okay. So you will get this as x is equals to 6 minus 1 which is equals to 5, 2 minus 1 which is equals to 1, that is 15 by 4. So x is equals to, you got as 15 by 4. This is in the form of improper fraction. First of all you convert this as in the form of mixed fraction, that is 4 3s are 12. How much remaining? 4, that is 3 is remaining, right? 3 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. So this is your required answer. First, 13 is equals to 2 into x plus 11 by 4. First of all, I taken x by 11 by 4 on the LHS part. On the RHS part, I shifted 13 by 2. Okay, so see here x is equals to 13 by 2 minus of 11 by 4. Okay, now see, between 2 and 4, what is the LCM? that is 2 into 2, this is 4 into 1, that is x is equals to 4 is LCM, 13 2s are 26 and 11 1s are 11. So 26 minus 11 will get as 15. X is equals to 15 by 4, that is 4 3s are 12, 3 and 3 integer 3 by 4 centimeter. Okay, so all of you go through this problem and take this an example for. Okay, dear students, one more question I am going to solve. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Okay, so the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363. Find these multiples. Okay, so let the multiples be x. Let the multiples of 11. Let the multiples of 11 be x. Okay, so let the multiples of the sum means again here operation is addition. 3 consecutive multiples, that is first one is the let the multiples of 11. First one is x first multiple, second one is x plus 11, third one is x plus 22. Means how it is 22 means x plus 11 plus 11. If I add this again 11 plus 1, you get this as x plus 22. So okay, so these are the 3 multiples, x plus 11, x plus 22, which is the sum is equals to 363. Okay, so see, this is the equation, x plus 11 plus of x plus 22, which is equals to 363. So this is your equation, x plus 11 plus x plus 22, which is equals to 363. Okay, so now see, it is x, remove the brackets, x plus 11 plus of x plus 22, which is equals to 363. So x you will get this as 3x, and this 22 plus 11, which is equals to 233, which is equals to 363. Okay, so I will solve this equation here now. So this is 3x, I will write this as 3x plus of, which is equals to 363 minus of 33, that is plus 33 will come as minus 33. So 3x is equals to 3 minus 3, which is equals to 0, 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3, that is 330. Okay, so 363 minus of 33, if you go, that is 3 minus 3, which is equals to 0, 6 minus 3, which is equals to 3, and 3 there is 330. Okay, so this is 330. So now x is equals to 330 minus of 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are, and 0 as it is, that is x is equals to 110 you will get. So x is equals to 110. Okay, so 3x plus 33, which is equals to 363. 3x is equals to 363 minus 33 will get as 330. Then x is equals to 330 divided by 3. X is equals to 110. So this is the first multiple, that is x is equals to 110. Then x plus 11 means which is x you got 110 plus of how much? It is 11. If you add this again 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1, 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2, 1 is as 121. So this is x plus 11. Next remaining is third one, that is x plus 22. Third multiple is x plus 22, which is equals to your x is 110 plus x plus next we have, which is equals to 22. Okay, so 110 plus 22 you will get as 0 plus 2, which is equals to 2, 2 plus 1, which is equals to 3. So remaining is 1, that is 132. So x plus 22 you will get as 132. So the third multiple is 132, second multiple is 121, and the first multiple is 110. Okay, so just go through this concept and note down this problem. This will help you in this while solving the exercise. Please note down this problem. Okay, dear students, now I am going to solving exercise number 2.1, that is your first exercise. In that I am going to solve 4 problems and remaining some examples are there. You have to solve by yourself. Okay, so see here first problem, x minus 2. Just you have to find the value of x in this solving exercise number 2.1. Okay, so see here first one, it is x minus 2. First one, x minus 2 which is equals to 7. Either you can use first method or second. I use here transpose method. Okay, so see here x is equals to 7 as it is minus 2. Transpose to RHS minus 2 will become as plus 2. So this is 7 plus 2 which is equals to 9. That is x is equals to 9. Okay, so this is the first problem. Second problem we are having as 3 by 7 plus x is equals to 17 by 7. Okay, so 3 by 7 plus x which is equals to 17 by 7. Okay, so now see x is equals to keep as it is, 17 by 7 you keep as it is. So this is plus 3 by 7. So as it is plus 3 by 7, you transfer to RHS, you will get this as minus 3 by 7. Okay, so now see both the denominators are same. Both the denominators are same. You can write x is equals to 7 of 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 which is equals to 17 minus 3. We will get this as 14 by 7. So again it is 14 by 7 means I write 7 ones are 7 twos are, so answer is 2. So x is equals to, you'll get the answer is equals to 2. So okay, so this is the second one problem. So now third one. So now your third one problem. Third one question says that is 2x by 3. 2x by 3 which is equals to 18. So in this situation what you have to do, you have to take this as 1, cross multiply this. After cross multiplying you will get this as 2x into 1. 2x into 1 which is equals to, you can write 2x into 1, next 18 into 3. Okay, so 2x into 1 which is equals to 18 into 3. So you will get this as 2x into 1 which is equals to 2x. Next 18 3s are, so 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 which is equals to 54. So 18 3s are, you will get as 54. So now this is x is equals to 54 divided by 2. So x is equals to, you will get 54 divided by 2. So now this is 2 2s are 4, remaining is 1, that is 2 7s are 14. Okay, so this is 2 2s are 4, remaining is 1, this is 14, this is 2 7s are 14. So then finally the answer you will get this as x is equals to 27. So answer is x is equals to 27. So this is the third problem. Fourth one, that is last problem from your exercise I am going to solve, that is 1.6 is equals to 1.6 y divided by 1.5. 1.6 is equals to y divided by 1.5. So again it is cross multiplication. You take here 1 as 1 is hidden. So again y into 1 which is equals to 1.6 into 1.5. Okay, what you have to do? Here y is here, 1 is hidden, 1.6 divided by 1 which is equals to y divided by 1.5. Again you do cross multiplication, y into 1 which is equals to 1.6 into 1.5. Okay, so now see y into 1 is always y which is equal 1.6 into 1.5. First you do this 16 into 15. First you do this 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 3 which is equals to 8, plus 1 6 are 6, again 1 1s are 1. So this is 0, 8 plus 6 which is equals to 14, 1 carry 1 plus 1 which is equals to, that is 240. So 240 as it is now 240. So you know that whenever you are adding, in the last previous class you have learned whenever multiply the decimals, okay, just this is after one decimal point, this is also after one decimal point. So 1 plus 1 which is equals to 2, that is after 2 decimal point you have to shift the 0, so you will get this as 2.4. So the answer y is equals to, you will get this as 2.4. Y is equals to 2.4. Okay, so please note down this exercise number 2.1, and remaining some examples are there we are going to solve, that is in the next video.